What's up guys, it's Jonathan at Platinum Motorsport, back with another one. Today we have a Rolls Royce Dawn full Mansory kit. We also did a chrome delete. All the chrome accents were removed, painted shiny black, minus the Spirit of Ecstasy and the Rolls Royce badges. Full Mansory kit, lowered on 22-inch wheels, front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, carbon fiber accents. You can see the carbon inserts, the aftermarket LEDs, and we also have the Mansory entrance panels on this one because I missed the last one. So that's pretty much it. Lowered, slammed, Mansory wheels, floating Mansory cap. Can't go wrong. So here it is, man. Enjoy the video.
Yo, I hate to interrupt my little brother right here, but why don't you tell the people about the new whip?
What people?
Our people.
What whip?
See, he don't really like talking about his new car or any car that this guy gets. Personal. But why don't you tell the people, man?
All right, maybe one day.
As I mentioned earlier, Jonathan don't really like to be talking about his whips, and Jonathan is AKA Jbell. That's my little brother. You know, he's been flexing with his whips for a long time. I've known him since a very young age. He was a kid, literally, you know, coming into the shop. And it's been a privilege being able to work with him for the past many years. He's my right-hand guy. This joint behind me is what we're talking about. We're not gonna show nothing on it right now. You guys can kind of guess and comment, tell me what you guys think it is and what we ran on it, but it's gonna come to an episode very soon.